Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, today we are going to learn about letter K. Before that, we will quickly revise letters A to J. Letter A. Letter A. Capital A, small a. Mama A, baby A. A for ant. A for apple. A for X. Repeat with me. Capital A, small a. Mama A, baby A. A for ant. A for apple. A for X. Letter B. Letter B. Capital B, small b. Mama B, baby B. B for balloon. B for ball. B for bell. Repeat with me. Capital B, small b. Mama B, baby B. Capital C, small c. Mama C, baby C. C for yummy yummy cake. C for caterpillar. C for carrot. Repeat with me. Capital C, small c. Mama C, baby C. C for cake. C for caterpillar. C for carrot. Letter D. Capital D, small d. Mama D, baby D. D for dinosaur. D for duck. Duck says quack quack. D for dog. Repeat with me. Capital D, small d. Mama D, baby D. Letter E. Capital E, small e. Mama E, baby E. E for egg. E for eye. E for eagle. Repeat with me. Capital E, small e. Mama E, baby E. Letter F. Capital F, small f. Mama F, baby F. F for frog. F for fox. F for fan. Repeat with me. Capital F, small f. Mama F, baby F. Letter G. Capital G, small g. Mama G, baby G. G for glass. G for goat. G for grapes. Repeat with me. Capital G, small g. Mama G, baby G. Letter H. Capital H, small h. Mama H, baby H. H for hat. H for helicopter. H for house. Repeat with me. Capital H, small h. Mama H, baby H. Letter I. Capital I, small I. Mama I, baby I. I for yummy yummy ice cream. I for igloo. I for iron. Letter J. Capital J, small j. Mama J, baby J. J for jeep. J for jacket. J for jam. Repeat with me. Capital J, small j. Mama J, baby J. Look children, which letter is this? Letter K. Capital K, small k. Mama K, baby K. Sound of letter K is K. Sound of letter K is K. K makes a sound K K K. K makes a sound K K K. Look children, which animal is this? This is a kangaroo. And this is a pouch of kangaroo. Children, do you like surprises? Yes. So, kangaroo is having something for you in his pouch. Let's see it. Look children. What is this? This is a kite. K for kite. K for kite. Look children. What is this? This is a kitten. K for kitten. K for kitten. Look children, which picture is this? Yes, this is a king. King yani Raja. K for king. K for king. Look children, what is this? This is a key. K for key. की यानी जिससे हम लॉक खोलते हैं, ओपन करते हैं, उसको हम की बोलते हैं. की यानी चाबी. Look children, what is this? This is a kettle. This is a kettle. Kettle यानी जिसमें हम गरम गरम चाय भरते हैं. K for kettle. Now let's revise. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K for kitten. K for king. K for key. K for kettle. Now, ma'am will give you one practice worksheet. Children, I am going to give you practice worksheet. Look at this worksheet. In this worksheet, there is a picture of kite. You can join the dots with crayon and then color it nicely. You can do this practice work in your English classwork book, page number 14. Bye-bye children. Have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned through it.